Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking ninja skin from the Fall Guys. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very cool looking ninja. So to begin, we're going to draw in the face area first. We're just drawing one line across, and then we'll go up. It's like almost like I guess a little bit more. So it's almost like a half circle, just a little bit longer. So that's going to be the face area, and now we can draw in his eyes, and his eyes going to be right around here. Just come to one side, just draw like a little bean shape. Then come to the next side and just draw in 2 lines first. And just round out the top and bottom. And let me shade that in real quick. Alright, so that's the eyes, and then now we're gonna draw in the hoodie. So we'll just extend this line first on the bottom. I'm gonna flare this out. And now we'll go all the way around. And it could be a little bit wobbly because this is supposed to be a hoodie. So it's gonna be cloth. So we just kind of make it a little bit wobbly. And then from here, whatever space you have here, I'm just gonna give it another border. Just kind of follow the outside curve. This hoodie has a little bit of a pattern here. Okay, so yeah, I know that looks kind of strange, but everything will make sense once we draw in the body. Right, so from here, extend it out. This is going to be part of the kind of strap around his body. So just taper inward. Close it off flat. And then right here is going to be his belt. So we just extend it all the way here. Alright, so once we have this, let's go ahead and finish up this little strap up here first. From this corner, I'm just going to go up. So just a little border right here. And then right here, this one's going to go this side. from here, just gonna come down. Okay, and then before drawing the belt right here, we'll come down the side first. We have to join the knot in the middle. So just right in the middle, just draw like a little peak shape like this first. And then now, just draw like a little diamond shape inside. Extend it and then just close it off. So it's almost like just 3 little squares. And then now we'll close off the belt. From the bottom, just go into the knot. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the bottom. So this part's easy. So just kind of taper in with a slight curve and then round off the bottom. And since we're down here, let's go ahead and finish up the foot. So right in the middle, come out to the side, just draw 2 lines like this first. Come across about here. Okay. And then now just curve up into the body. And then for the little details in here, start right around here, just draw 1 curve to this corner. So come over here, just curve to the corner. Okay, so now let's go ahead and finish up the arms. So for the arms right here, I'm gonna extend this line. It's a little sleeve right here. So just curve out and come in. And now for his arm, just gonna draw 1 section, just 1 rectangle. And then from here, just extend the line and draw a bigger rectangle. Just draw 2 lines inside for 1 stripe. Alright, and then now for his hand, start over here for his thumb, just come down. Just 1 little hook first. Here's the back of the hand, we're gonna come straight down. And we gotta give him these almost like karate chop hands. So this finger's gonna be straight, we'll just extend it down. Just round it, and then go back up into the thumb. And then we'll draw 1 more on the back. Just 1 little curve like this. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So it's gonna be pretty much the same. Just 1 rectangle coming down. Extend the line and then bigger rectangle. And same thing here, just 1 stripe. And then the hand, same thing right here. Come down. 1 hook, that's the thumb. Come straight down, that's the back of the hand. Extend it down, just round it out, go back up, connect to that. And then now for the other finger, just 1 little curve. And that is it for this ninja. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.